here. So I'm gonna open this up. Now, very carefully, so come around here for a second. Just walk just enough so you can see the crucible with the metal. So we got aluminum in there, so you can feel the heat. And on the top of this, I got some bad material. All right, so I'm gonna scoop that off. All right, so now I'm left with the molten aluminum. All right, go ahead and back up. So now I'm gonna take my crucible out. And we'll carry this crucible over, and I'm gonna pour this into the sand. Okay, you can see how we're liquid, so you guys can get a little bit closer so you can see, but stay about 2 or 3 feet away. Now, one of the hazards here with this, if at this temperature, probably not as much with the aluminum, but if I were doing actual steel, which is a lot higher temperature, and it dropped onto concrete, we would get a violent explosion because the concrete has moisture in it. I'm just gonna pour this out here and get this there so you can kind of see what that is, and I'll leave that there for right now. All right, we said we were using our bar stock left over, so we'll just drop a few more of these in here, right like that. Okay, and we'll put this back in. So we'll get some more to melt here. Take this back up. Okay. Now, airflow is important. Notice. So if I decrease the air, I just get a regular flame. So more air gives me the higher temperatures. That oxide kind of gets in there. When I take this off, because of the oxygen in the air, oxygen and aluminum mix, and I get aluminum oxides. Those are kind of things that would be creating more impurities there too, so we wouldn't have pure aluminum. So, all right, it'll be about 20 minutes for these to cool off so we can actually touch them and take them out. So probably about another 20 or 30 minutes for the next batch to get heated up enough so we can pour some more in there. So we'll come back out. Does anybody have any questions on the demonstration at this point?